We often think that transforming into our best selves is a long emotional journey, and while the internal work is vital, the physical is actually the fastest gateway to shifting your energy. The way you present yourself isn't superficial, it's a tone to help you step into the feeling of a woman you want to become. Today, I'm sharing the most effective, low-cost secrets on how to be feminine and attractive that you can start using right now. And make sure you stay until the very end because I have a secret gift, a life-changing resource for my achievers that will help you reclaim your radiance in just 72 hours. Hey love, welcome back to Classy Muse. If you're new here, I'm Nhi. I help women tap into their sharp power and master the art of feminine magnetism. If you're ready to level up your look and your life, hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an episode. I truly believe that making these small physical shifts can be the most transformative thing you do. So let's dive into how to instantly look more feminine. First, highlight your décolleté, your neck, collarbones, and shoulders. This area is a delicate, vulnerable, and incredibly beautiful spot on the body. Instead of hiding in oversized sweaters, show up this area. Pro tip: strip a little softer highlighters on your collarbones to catch the light. It adds that glow that is instantly magnetic. Second, let's talk about your lips. Adding even the sheer tint or gloss sends a shocking signal of health and vitality. You don't need 20 lipstick, you just need one or two that makes your face look youthful and vibrant. It's the easiest way to look put together in 5 seconds. Now, this is about more than just makeup. It's about energy. The power of smile. I'm not saying fake it, but let yourself show joy. A relaxed, smiling woman emits a different frequency. People are naturally drawn to that positivity. The Muse poser, shoulders back, head torn, slumping is close up. Stunning tail is confident and receptive. It changes how you feel internally and how the world treats you externally. Feminine magnetism is found in the details. Great color for nails. You don't need $100 manicures, but clean, feel, and moisture hands look delicate and sharp. The quiet attractiveness of brows, filling in your brows, frame your eyes, and complete your face. It's a small detail that adds massive symmetry and glow to your look. Exfoliation. This is my secret hack. Your face and body build up dullness over time. Exfoliating every few days gives you that high-value glow that makes people wonder what your secret is. Finally, your clothes. You don't need to look like a Disney princess every day, but choose colors and cuts that accentuate yourself. Whether it's a flowy dress or a tailored suit that cinches your waist, focus on the details that make you feel like a woman. I want to hear from you. Which of these tips are you going to try today? Or do you have a secret feminine hack on your own? Comment below and let's start a conversation. I read every single one, and if you found this valuable, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps our community grow. Now, for the secret gift I mentioned, I know many of you are high achievers who have been stuck in survival mode or corporate armor for too long. You lost your radiance because you are too busy winning. I create a special free gift for you, the Muse Reset, 3 days to unmask and magnetize. This is a blueprint to reclaiming your radiance in just 72 hours. To get your free copy right now, simply comment your first name plus email address below. My team will send it over immediately. Stay magnetic, stay classy. Love you. Bye.